Okay, we got a 2008 Chrysler Aspen. This got a DVD, hard drive, everything already. We're gonna replace this to an aftermarket touchscreen DVD player and everything. First thing you want to do, you want to take you want to get the tool like this, or the door removal tool, the plastic one. The metal ones is fine if you want to do it if it's this big. You don't want to use a flathead because you'll damage this. You want to put on the side right here, start from the bottom and twist it like that, and then it should pop out a little bit. And then you want to do the same side, that's here, put it right there and twist it, it'll pop. Once it pop out like this, and you want to grab your hand and hold right here and pull it. It's going to be a little bit tight if it's never taken out before. So now once you pull that whole thing out, you should be able to unplug the wire, the clock wire right there, by pushing the clip. By using your thumbnail, push this thing in and then pull it out, and then it should be out. That's all you have to take out. You don't have to take everything out. Just leave it like that. And then now you're going to have to take 4 screws out right here. You got 2 right there and 2 right here. It's time to unplug this wire right there. What you do, the antenna, you just push this middle one right here. Push the middle one on the opposite side, which is this side. Actually, I'm gonna go from here first. The plug, the gray plug, just push this bottom right there. Push it up. Yeah, push it up and then pull it out. All of them are the same. And then this part right here is a little bit tricky. You want to push that in and then pull it out. Push it in like that and pull it out. All of them are the same. Hooking up the wire, I'm hooking up the Crux SOOCR-26. You don't need to hook up all the wire, the white, black, gray, black. You don't need to hook it up. You're just gonna hook it up to the purple and the green, because what it does, it's got a built-in amplifier. So you're gonna have to hook it up. The harness back over here, you're gonna need to hook it up to the one that say amplifier. And then you're gonna hook up the power, the ground, and the parking brake. That's to the ground because it's a DVD player also. And the rest, that's it. Hooking up the rear view cameras connection, you're gonna have to hook it up. You're gonna have to cut this wire right there. I'm gonna cut this wire, then I'm gonna strip it. You're gonna have one for the positive side and one for the negative side. Now once you get it stripped, you gotta figure out which one is the middle one usually positive. You have a continuity tester, which is the voltmeter. You can test it. If not, you gotta try to figure out if what color it is for positive and what is for negative. In my case, I know it's the gray wire is positive and then the blue wire is negative. I strip this part and then I'm gonna go to the car. Okay, back to the backup camera. I got it to work. I already tested and everything working, so I'm gonna explain to you. I don't want to show you something where it's not working then say, oh, I gotta do something else. That's just wasting time and wasting your time and wasting my time to watch it. So on this bypass, you got the reverse gear. It's a purple and white from the bypass, the SOOCR-26. It does have a reverse wire, so you don't have to hook up to the back, the reverse light on the back. So you're gonna hook up that reverse gear to the reverse cam right here from the whatever radio you're hooking up. It's all different, so I can't tell you what color it is. So on my case, I'm installing the NASA, the NSP 52 NSP 652N. So now On the part that is a little bit confusing for people is the this white plug right there. I'm gonna go like this way, okay? You got the positive is the green brown. Green brown is number 3. You count from right here, 1, 2, 3, and then you got green orange is negative. So as you can see right there, I got my gray from my RCA jack is positive, and then my blue is negative. I'm hooking that up, and then that's basically it, guys. And customers got the Temu drop down screen that need to be hooked up to. It's already hooked up already, not need to be hooked up. All I have to do is plug this jack back in there, and everything's already wired. So I'm gonna put everything back in, and I'm gonna need 95, 65, 11, and right there, that's 95, 65, 11. I'm gonna look at the you gotta make sure this is on the top right there. Now the video, I forgot to mention, you on the radio itself, on the back it will say cam, or cam right there. You want to plug to that cam, and for the output to the headrest, you're gonna hook it up to the video out one. Now I got everything done already, but I can't put the radio back in there because the radio is kind of big for it. So what I had to do, I had to cut this plastic off with the oscillating tool. I cut all that piece out, and then that looked like that. Take that piece out. You want to cut the bottom one too, so you can take the whole thing out. So now you should be able to go to it, to push it in there. This is after it's done. It's hooked up. That's right, it looks good, and the camera, backup camera is good. Turn it right there, perfectly fine. And also the camera over here, the drop ceiling working fine. See that? Drop ceiling.